The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 Volvo XC60 with the factory installed flush rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base roof rack system. This system consists of the WingBar load bar. You can see here in silver, also available in black, or also available is the Square Bar Evo. And in addition to that, you have the flush rail Evo foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 186028. So for complete year range that this fits, see the link in the description below, along with more details. The crossbar spacing on this is 34 inches center to center with a max spacing of 40 inches center to center and an overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds. So you can see this is a great fit to this flush rail. Locks are optional, but not required. So for complete details, specifications, easy ordering, again, see the link in the description below, but this has been just a quick look at this fit on this XC60. So, like always, thanks for watching.